Is Veracity a dud or an altcoin gem that will pop during the bull run? I'm going to take a look at its fundamentals. It's time to discover crypto. Veracity is an open ledger ecosystem bringing trust and transparency to digital advertising and payments. Never heard of it? Perfect. Because crypto winter is the best time to educate yourself and learn as much as you can so you can make sure you're ready for the next bull run. Let's kick things off with a little token overview. Veracity is currently trading a shade over 0.4 of a cent and is sitting at a deep value market cap of about $42 million. This puts it deep in the pink sheets, way down at number 422 on CoinGecko at the time of shooting. I've always wondered if the Geico Gecko and the CoinGecko Gecko knew each other in Gecko Business School. Speaking of which, make sure to check out the BitLab Academy and find the courses that are right for you so you can learn from the pros and take your crypto education to the next level. Anyway, as you can tell right off the bat, Veracity has a pretty low market cap, even by most degen standards like mine. Now I know it's a deep bear market and the market cap of all the projects in crypto are down bad right now, but any project with a market cap of less than $1 billion, I would personally consider to be a small cap. Small cap means that there's a greater potential of returns if the project catches major adoption. But this also usually means increased risk as well. Two of the biggest things that can be a concern are trading volume and liquidity. If you take a look at which exchanges currently list Veracity, you'll see that some of the more popular ones are like Gate.io, KuCoin, OKX, Crypto.com, and Uniswap. By the way, you can sign up for a KuCoin account using our affiliate link in the description. Now, it is important to note that you won't find Veracity listed on the big boys like Coinbase or Binance just yet. It's still very early days for this project, so please do your own research and invest and trade responsibly. If you appreciate me coming at you with some clear-eyed crypto caution, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on channel notifications so you'll be around for when I finally cut loose and go full degen DZ mode on everyone in the next bull run. Taking a look at the price history, we can see that Veracity's native ERC-777 token, VRA, hit its all-time high in November of 21 and peaked out about 8.6 cents. Since then, it's been on one of them big bad bear market slides that most projects in the altcoin market have also followed. One final thing to call out about the tokenomics on this one before we dive more into the history and fundamentals. The current circulating supply is around 10,305 million, and the max supply will be around 110 billion. The reason for this is that this project is holding 90% of their supply in reserve until their platform fully launches, which makes sense, but ordinarily a difference in max supply versus circulating supply that is that big would be a huge red flag. So keep your eyes out for things like that when you're doing your own awesome altcoin research. Okay, enough about the token price. What's Veracity all about? Veracity was founded in 2017 by entrepreneur and pensive-looking technologist RJ Mark. Veracity offers a unique patented proof-of-view system through which it plans to solve the problems of video advertising and NFT fraud. Veracity's product lines range across multiple industries, but are all built with the proof-of-view system and the VerViews platform as their backbone. It offers a Vera wallet on its blockchain network on which the VRA token is used as the main currency for participating in the online variety and video game economy. It also offers staking rewards to users. It's a protocol and product layer platform for esports, video entertainment, and digital content management. Its products include an ad stack and the VRA reward system, which has been integrated into SDKs for YouTube, Twitch, Vimeo, and all major video platforms. Okay, so what's the problem this project is solving in plain English? Well, if you ever spend any time on social media, I'm sure you've noticed that there are a ton of bot armies out there, and the interwebs are getting into all kinds of shenanigans. Spamming, trolling, phishing, and just generally mucking it up for all of us human beings. This is a problem for advertisers because they have no way of knowing if their ads are actually reaching real humans or if they're just serving up impressions up to the lifeless bots. It's been estimated that by 2025, advertisers' total losses due to ad fraud could shoot up to $100 billion. So it's clear this is a big problem. Veracity leverages blockchain technology and their unique consensus algorithm proof of view to ensure every view captured on the ledger is authentic and ultimately provides stakeholders within the video ad space a trusted single source of truth for capturing verified human views in real time. Oh, and just a reminder, they filed a lot of patents to protect their tech as well. Pretty cool, right? Personally, I think things like this are the key to mass adoption. Quality projects using crypto to solve real-world problems that can't be tackled without the blockchain. Veracity has two major branches of the project. the VRA token, and the Vera wallet, which allows users to spend VRA tokens, earn VRA rewards via staking, or earn VRA by participating in activities on the network, and the VeraViews platform along with everything being built on it. On November 8th, 2021, Verasity announced that they would be rebranding an esports platform to Vera Esports in order to establish their vision for how their feedback cycle of watch-to-earn value creation should work. The cycle has 4 key elements. First, Vera Esports secures broadcast rights to exclusive tournaments. They offer access to streams from some of the biggest names in gaming, with tournaments hosted by the likes of Valorant, Riot Games, and Axie Infinity. It's also teased an upcoming NFT marketplace with both in and out of game content for its users. Next, their content is made available on the Brightcove media player with the VeraViews ad stack built in. Third, VeraView protects publishers against fake views, who then come to realize it's a superior solution for preventing ad fraud across all of their content and is consequently much more profitable. Fourth and finally, VeraViews adoption is increased and Veracity's revenues are used for operating expenses and their VRA buyback program. Sounds complicated, I know, but the gist of it is, by building a system that is better for viewers, advertisers, content creators, and really just all the stakeholders in the system, Veracity is able to incentivize all participants and then share the value they are creating with all of the users. Because that's how we do it in Web3, baby. For more details on the history of what they're currently working on, I recommend checking out their roadmap. They have a very detailed roadmap that lays out every step of development they've taken along the way since launching in 2017. They have a well-defined and specific goals to achieve their business cases in each market. To date, Veracity has met all of their quarterly roadmap goals, and some recent achievements include updates to the Vera wallet, referral integrations, exchange listings, growing ad campaigns, running esports tournaments, and launching a revamped tournament site. These guys really have been busy this bear market. Okay, I think I'm gonna leave it there for the time being. Obviously, there's a lot more to this project than what we've covered here today, and I definitely recommend taking a closer look at some of the patents they filed on things like rewarded video, because as the Web3 internet of value grows and gains market adoption, there's gonna be a lot of new projects like Veracity rising up to challenge the dominance of the Web2 companies, as well as other Web3 rivals like Theta. None of us can predict the future, so it's impossible to say for sure what's going to happen, but play to earn, watch to earn, and you name it to earn are all going to be pretty exciting crypto niches in the next bull run. So you have to subscribe to the channel, make sure you stick around and watch what happens. Let me know down in the comments what you think of Veracity and whether or not you think the VRA token is destined for a new all-time high in the next bull run. And let me know if you have a favorite watch-to-earn platform you think we should check out as well. That's all you got from DZ. Thanks for watching Discover Crypto. Hit that like button on your way out, and we'll see you at the top.